Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful. How to redeem an Instacart gift card in 2025. Whether you received one as a holiday gift, a birthday surprise, or just a treat to yourself, this quick guide will have you shopping for groceries in no time. Instacart makes it easy, but let's break it down step by step so you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure you have the Instacart app downloaded on your phone or access to the website on your computer. If you're new, go ahead and create an account. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, head over to your account settings. You can find this by tapping the profile icon in the top right corner of the app or by clicking your name on the website. Now, look for the Gift Cards or Payments section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to add a gift card or enter a code. Carefully type in your gift card code. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers found on the back of the card or in your email. Double check for any typos because that can be a common snag. After entering the code, hit Apply or Redeem. Instacart will verify it, and if everything's good, the balance will be added to your account instantly. You'll see the updated amount in your wallet or payment methods. Pro tip: if the code doesn't work, make sure it's not expired. Gift cards typically last a year or more, but always check the details. Also, ensure you're using the latest version of the app, as Instacart updates frequently in 2025 for better security. Once redeemed, you can use the credit on your next order. Just add items to your cart, proceed to checkout, and select the gift card balance as your payment method. It's that simple. This feature is a game changer for saving money on fresh produce, snacks, or even alcohol delivery, depending on your location. Wrapping this up, redeeming an Instacart gift card is quick and hassle-free, taking less than 5 minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and everyday hacks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.